Hello guys, my name is Kata for Kata Speaker with YouTube channel, and in this video, it's a retake from my handbells, all of my handbells. This one, the brass one from here, and this is the store where I bought here, and this is the copper handbells, and this is the brass bell. The smallest one, and this is the hand cowbells. Yep, all of my handbells in total. That means 15 bells in total. Yep. Let's get started. The smallest one into a big one. Smallest one. Sorry. And this is cutest tiny head bells over here. Then we got C sharp 7 and the E the end. E from 8. E8. The difference is the cowhide bells from here, but this one at the end is actually E8. This one is the bell number 4 for here that we got for brass bells. That's a D7. And this is the store bells for this is on this autre. I don't know what translation will be. Let's check this out in the end. The winds like this. That's A to 6. And this is the another store bells over here that looks like a Christmas one, but from this head bells with the whistle over here that we cannot read correctly. As we can tell, we can win it out. And the notes, that's the E6. And this is the figurative one that we got after the Museum of the Bells. That we see at Notre Dame bells. And I heard when I came to visit to Notre Dame in Paris that we win in 10. And this is the figurative one. That's the same thing, but only the smallest one. Difference is this. Same thing, but mine is as well. Just do C sharp 7. Nice note that we got here. And this is another handbells like yon. Another hand cowbells over here, and this is like yon. And the notes is B5, B6. And this one is rather for the highest and the largest cowhide bells, figurative one. Not the figurative one over here. That's 2. Highest note is almost the A7. That's the keys sharp 7. And this one is the second and the highest note over here, but it doesn't know the models, but nice one. That's between G7 and G sharp 7s. And this is the lowest notes. One of my copper bells and the largest one. in the end between D sharp 7 E7. And the lowest note at the beginning is the A4. And this is finite one for the third and the head bells over here, brass bells. Look at this. That is between G6 and the G sharp 6. And this is another head bells over here. This note is A sharp 6. And this is another head bells over here. And this hit perfectly as C6. Almost the C sharp 6. So yeah, and this is the highest, the third and the largest head bells over here. This is for the highest note. The difference is the number 4 of brass bells, but this one is higher. This one is ready for the test. That's the D7. See, the difference is here. This one is the higher and this is the lowest. Let's put back together. Nice more better than the longest one. And this is the loudest head bells that I've done. The second and the largest head bells over here that we got maybe phosphine that are already seen in the viral shows over here. Let's give it a retest. And the notes are G sharp 5 between G sharp and A sharp, but it's A5 over here. Then it looks like the real bass, but the difference is here, next to the bells, largest bells. And this one is one of my largest bells. Head bells over here, and this is number 15. And this notes are D sharp 5. See, look at this. Let's take out for those. And now this is the end. Now that's it.